Hello everyone. National Education Policy 2020 is an ambitious, comprehensive reform policy in education system which aims to overhaul the education system to meet the challenges of 21st century. This policy covers all levels of education beginning from early childhood to the higher education. This policy advocates for 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 education system. First 5 years of schooling will focus on the foundational stage, followed by the 3 years of schooling which will be focused on the preparatory stage. Next will be the middle stage which will be of the 3 years and secondary stage will be of the 4 years.
राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति 2020 एक ऐसी समग्र शिक्षा नीति है जिसने पहली बार प्राचीन परंपरागत ज्ञान को आधुनिक ज्ञान से जोड़ा है। इसमें समस्या समाधान, रचनात्मकता, आलोचनात्मक चिंतन जैसे जीवन कौशलों को भी शिक्षा के साथ जोड़ा गया है और केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन में नई शिक्षा नीति 2020 के अनुरूप इन सभी कौशलों के विकास के लिए भरपूर प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं।
There is a paradigm shift in the approach of education under National Education Policy 2020. Nowadays, there is a lot of focus on the development of skill. It is being introduced right from class 6 so that children are enabled in their skill development and enhance and give their contribution in the enhancement of the development of the country. In Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, we have introduced artificial intelligence in class 6, which is a 15 hours program. So far class 7th is considered, it is virtual reality and augmented reality. And for class 8, it is design thinking and innovation.
As we all know, NEP 2020 has completed 3 years in Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. So what do you think are the positive changes you have observed in your classroom practices and your surroundings?
NEP 2020 has certainly brought radical changes in our classroom practices. It has brought FLN. Everyone is aware of it. And that is foundational literacy and numeracy. Through this foundational literacy and numeracy, we have tried several activities. Like toy-based pedagogies we have introduced in our classes, and then we have also using more and more experiential based.
You are right, you are absolutely right that a strong building is laid on a strong foundation.
Thanks to NEP 2020, I educate better, encourage and enlighten more.